Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you the governor of the state of Delaware. Put your hands together for Matt Myers!
Let me tell you a little story. 3 years ago, that young man, Megachin, I didn't know him from anyone. A good man working hard in Newcastle, Delaware. He comes to me with Su Yen, and they say they're going to put on the biggest concert you've ever seen in Glasgow Park. 5,000 people. And I said, I'll give you a little money, maybe you'll give 50. And 10,000 of you guys showed up. And here we are 3 years later. It's 130 degrees out here, and there are 45,000 people. 25 states. 10 countries. For those of you visiting from out of town, you might see on the news an America that doesn't look like the America that I believe in. This America, Delaware's America, is the home of Bob Marley. Delaware's America is a one love America. Look around yourself here. This is Delaware. This is America. We do this every single day.
I could be a girl.